We'll guide you through how to format an SD card on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to go and do. Perhaps you've recently gone and got a new SD card or an old one and you want to make sure that you've got it formatted just so it's ready to go and be used. When you go and format it, you are going to be losing all of the data on it. So you may want to go and back it up before doing so, and you can go and do that in the Files app on your device. What we need to do is we need to go and swipe up and find the option for settings. If you struggle to find it, you can press search at the top and you can go and type in settings. Then in here, you need to go and scroll down and find the option for device care, and you can tap there. It'll then go and give you some info, but you need to tap storage, wait for it to load, and you can go and swipe across and you want to find SD card. If you struggle to go and find this, by the way, you can press back and use the search function in the top right, but I can go and find it here. So swipe across, and then in the top right, there are those three dots you can tap and you'll find the option for format. You can tap there and go and confirm the decision and wait. Like that, the SD card was formatted successfully.